геймери, вітаю вас на каналі. У нас тут зорка на базі і чергова серія по драгони. Так що пойдем глядеть квесты головные далей. Так, нам потрібно вернуться у наш маяк. Послухать, хто що думає на нашій попередній місії і її виніку.
Rook, just got word. First Warden's calling everyone back to Weishaupt. Everyone except me, seems like. Guess the First Warden didn't like me joining your team.
Calling wardens back from all of the theaters is a big step. Did he give any reason why?
Not exactly, but I've heard rumors of a massive Darkspawn horde on the move. Even hearing there's an archdemon with them.
Ну, може, не архідемон, але просто тьмок, з яким ми вже змагалися. Напевно, це боги.
The timing can't be a coincidence. The gods must be behind this.
I bet they are. Rook, if the gods have an archdemon, Warden lore says archdemons only show up during a blight. Doesn't say anything about elven gods. Seems like the rules have changed, and we're going in blind. We need to know what we're up against.
Ну, що ти пропонуєш? З Солосом порозмовляти? Ну, так.
Make sure the others are ready to move.
А то, що нам Морган там порадила зробити, ми так-то не зробили. Так, порозмовляти з Солосом, але перед тим, як порозмовляти з Солосом, мені здається, з нами хочуть так порозмовляти ще шмат хто інший. Давайте спочатку до Емріха, раз він тут у будинку. Так, по лісвіці. І потім уже до остатніх. Емріх, магчима, я так думаю, так само нам хоче свій квестик дати. Його квестик ми ще ніякий не брали.
Rook, interested in visiting the
Що
Memorial
його
Gardens?
What are you up to?
з рукою?
I must tend
Ти
to some
пільчатка
rites in the
така?
necropolis. I'd like to show you its more peaceful side.
Я сумніваюся, що мені Некрополіс сподобається, у яким би вигляді це не було б. У мирним ціні. Чекайте, а чому туди і сюди? Віді. Можна є ще щось? Ну, ось гэта нам би так-то треба, напевно, зробити до того, як ми порозмовляємо з Солосом, каб у нас були нейкія карти на руках, які ми могли би використати супроти його. Так, не упоминаю, що Беларадіс тут живе.
I cannot say.
Who created you?
I cannot say.
А
What
що він
can
може
you
сказати?
say?
Ну,
I cannot say.
Right. Deserve that.
Got the archive spirit working, I see.
Rook,
ну,
you're here.
я б так не
And I
сказала.
did, sort of. A little bit. It appears, but it won't tell me anything.
You simply ask the wrong questions. A common affliction of the weak-minded.
Also,
Я
that
ще
is
ображаю,
kinda
ну.
mean.
Ну. Обраді його отказ.
Just insult it right back. Assuming you know how to insult a spirit?
I've never thought about it. How would you do that? Emmerich might know. That is an idea. Syrian learned a lot, taught me a lot about these archives.
Це жарт.
They have, well, not thoughts like us, but sort of pathways, I guess. They can only respond to specific questions worded in specific ways. So, if you're powerful, like almost God level powerful, how would you talk to someone you see as lesser?
Really condescendingly, based on experience so far.
Right! You wouldn't ask questions, you'd tell them what to do, so let's try that. Archive, tell me who built you.
one of the greatest of Elvenar,
Это
a steward of her
запасовало?
glory. Truly, I was blessed to bathe in his warmth. Anaris built me, and to him I shall someday return.
You mean the Forgotten One?
Некий
I
інший
cannot
бог.
say.
Good point. That was us.
Які з забитих?
A forgotten one? You mean the bad gods parents used to scare their kids into behaving?
Don't speak their name or they'll come for you. Now we know
Не, ну,
what the
это каски
so-called
верить.
blood gods were like.
Ну, это потому
Really
что не
like,
каски.
I mean. So who knows what they really were? The Forgotten Ones.
Ну, ми ось
They
хутко
used to say
довідаємося,
Solus
може,
was
яни нам
one,
допоможуть
so best case
перемогти
scenario like him.
Ельдена
Worst
і
case,
Гілонин.
well, you heard it talk.
Right. So this thing's dangerous if it belonged to one of them.
Could be, but still important and invaluable. Everything Anaris knew, this thing knows, and my people deserve to know. If I can get it to tell me.
Розкажи про Солоса, так.
Archive. Tell me about the Dreadwolf.
An ideologue and a fool who will soon pay
Запитуєш,
the
як у
price.
чата
When Anaris
GPT. Я маю
dispatches the
десь не
Evanuris,
упала.
he will spare a thought for Fen'Harel.
Якщо можна ще запитати про Івану Рису.
Archive. Tell me about the Evanuris.
A group of cowards hiding behind their more powerful magic and superior numbers. Their jealousy of Anaris was palpable. Their war is unending. But Anaris will prevail.
You've got a chance to learn more about our people. Go for it. Just be careful and try not to break anything.
Right. Thanks, Rook.
Рук. Не кажи
All
это
thanks
Беларии,
must
наш
be
все
given
правда
to
подумає,
Anaris,
что я нам может все
for he will
взломать.
cast down the oppressive Evanuris and take his rightful place.
What a shame I can't stay longer. Good luck.
Appreciate the support.
Так. Можно что-нибудь полепшить можем?
The spirits lament, dweller. The blight spreads here. Seek its roots.
Так. А як тебе полепшить? Чекай. О, мы назбирали? 4-й уровень. Но мне пока что подобается это. Чтобы все это еще было недренно. А наш лепший самый посох давайте заапгрейдим. Ну, ми користаємося этой. Ну, може, коли ми їх то полепшим, він стане лепший. І 134. Так, тепер можна яє, напевно, брати. Так. Де? О, ще криштальчики. Можна руни поставлять. Давайте вот так. А, и она у меня и обраная. Мне сдавалось, я брала была льдинку. Ну що тоді, чаровненька. Звісно, навіть кольору ніякого немає. Такс. Нео, ти не хочеш нічого? Знову я не там труться побач. Так, ну-ка сидіть, Сюлі, у мене тут...
How are the crows after the dragon attack?
We're assassins. What do we know about dragons? Thea and Biago
Не,
are
он
juggling
Дея
the
залетает,
response to the
что мне
dragon.
Дея
They fight against the Anta. The other talents are
Нам
scrambling.
такое не подобається.
And I don't know what Ilario is doing.
That last part seems normal.
I suppose the world hasn't ended yet.
Вось рук, ти покуль там... Справу робиш. Дуже твою дівчину звести хочуть. Так, ладно. Ладно, думаю, все-таки... Некогда зачинить. О, недавно ще подаруночок можна дати. І стаж порозмовляти. Ой, у Хардинг нешта. А потім ось сюди я хочу. Хоча ми будемо ще 3 штуки, напевно, вельми довго шукати. Ладно, тоді поїдемо по головному. Так, Дарвін подаруночок. Давайте.
It looks like our boy Asan is feeling his oats. Or whatever griffins feel.
He's getting the hang of it. When he listens.
He seems to be able to handle himself so far.
You got lucky the Gloomhowler didn't tear you to pieces, boy. You wait for my command. We attack together. Then we can kill stuff like that.
Well, at least he's learning.
The instincts kick in. Griffins see darkspawn and it's a fight to the death. Like wolves hunting deer. Just need to corral it.
Ну, йому потрібен час
You'd never know it to look at him.
навчитися.
Seems friendly enough.
As long as he likes you.
So what I'm hearing, Asan, is gingerwort truffles for life?
Ви принесли? Трошку труфеля?
Every muscle in him, every talon, every feather, honed into a killing machine. Hassan's ancestors took on archdemons.
Like his name says, he's an arrow.
Half lion, half eagle, with the instincts of both, griffins will always be hunters.
Just like his daddy Davrin.
I suppose we are our nature.
Not sure about that?
Most of my life, I've hunted the darker things in the world. But caring for a griffin? What do I know about that? Yet here I am.
That's not so bad, is it?
Я думаю,
Not
це
the path
до
I
ліпшого.
expected. Makes me wonder about Hassan, his brothers and sisters, still young, pure.
Боже, я правда
You're worried?
сподіваюся, що ми зможемо
I'm
їх ще
responsible for the future of every griffin alive.
відшукати і
I want it
визволити.
to be a good one. These animals live to fight, but I wonder if there's another path for them.
Дай йому час є ще раз.
Still early. Hassan's just a kid. Let him test the waters, see what shakes loose.
You mean like a parent?
Yeah.
Parents. A scary word. I'm supposed to be his bodyguard.
What do you think you've been
Боже,
doing
будь
this whole
хоча б
time?
якось сябром, не веду.
Trying to ignore it. If I get myself killed by a Herlock, that's on me. If it's Hassan, I just don't want to mess it up.
I think that's where trust comes in. That Turlum idea you keep talking about? Trust Hassan to find his way. Don't force things.
He's headstrong.
Good thing you are too.
Right. Thanks for the check.
А, така зявулька. Так, а подарунок это были труфели? А, вот, дать подарунок.
Good taste.
А. Так. Добренько, добренько. Тепер би стаж.
Why do you run around in fancy mage clothes?
Because I like them.
You're barely even wearing a shirt.
You fight
Ну,
Anton
то, что
with bare
подобается
midriff.
нам.
Everything all right?
We're fine. Just trading fashion tips.
Боже, інак
So
будете
what I
казати,
wear is a
що у
problem for
той ледве є
It's
ось
not. It's just,
кашуля у самої того
dress like that?
голови.
are you trying to make your mother happy?
Ну, порозмовляй з нами, нечто тут
Tosh, what's going on? Something
ненормальове.
is clearly bothering you.
My bet's on mothers and dresses.
It's just something my mother said the other day. That I act more like a man than a woman.
And you feel like you should wear dresses to make her happy.
No. Can you imagine me in a dress? I'd look stupider than I'd look stupid.
Та не про
This
сукенку, я
isn't
так
about
само
the
так
dress,
думаю.
is it?
No, it's... I don't know. She always says stuff like that. About how I dress, how I act.
And
It feels... right. When she says I act more like a man. It feels... right. Why does it feel right?
Tosh, do you like being a woman?
Це той
likes
розмови,
being
з
a
яких шмат хто кринжував.
This is stupid. Forget I said anything.
Дивний отказ. Давай просто скажем, что мы тут как
If you don't want to talk about
допомогши.
it anymore, we won't. But whatever this is, this team is here for you.
I still don't know what this is.
Some of my friends in Minrathous talk about not feeling comfortable in their own skin. As a man, as a woman. I could see if they'd like to talk. Maybe what they say fits how you're feeling.
Yeah. Okay. And thanks. You do look really pretty.
Oh,
To look at. I'd smudge your makeup.
thanks for letting me down gently.
Все. Этом разом. Так, Хардингер ще. Что нам подкинуть квестик?
Any luck tracking down your mystery friend?
The Shaper didn't like me asking about Shaper Valta. Or harassing people with talk of dwarven magic.
Така сумна новина, яка шкода.
Damn, that's a disappointment.
Well, I'm not gonna find my answers in Orzammar. My contacts had no idea what I was talking about.
So, what now?
I was thinking, the voice said look to those closest to the stone. What if she never meant Orzammar?
Хоча гэта камень.
There is another great Tig, the original capital of the dwarves, Kal Shirak. It was lost during the First Blight, and its people survived in isolation for hundreds of years. They re-emerged, some 20 years ago?
And you think they're closer to the stone?
Ну, вони
Orzammar
мусили
can't help.
заховати
What have I got
нечто.
to lose?
Ну, їх, так би мовити, не було глобалізації. Ну, а що гэта за месца? Ты яшчэ што-нибудь ведаеш?
Kalshrok's isolation.
The dwarves took heavy losses during the First Blight. To stop the Darkspawn from overrunning them, they closed off passages in the deep roads. Those that could retreated to Orzammar. Kal Shirak was lost. They abandoned the city and its people, sealed them away with the Darkspawn.
Напевно, яны былі не вельмі гэтым задаволеныя. Жах.
There must have been another way. What they did was monstrous.
Can you imagine being trapped, knowing death was coming?
But they didn't die. The rumors...
That the dwarves of Kalsharak had to change to survive? No one's really sure what that means exactly.
When we find them, you can ask.
А що коли
Are you
Арзамар
sure Orzammar isn't hiding
каже
something?
неправду?
Pressing them for information would be tricky. I could anger someone important. If Kalsharak doesn't turn out, I can go back to poking at Orzammar. But not before then.
Так, добре. Що
How do we
будемо
get in
робити?
touch with these Kalsharok dwarves?
Already working on it. You don't spend 10 years in the Inquisition without making contacts. I should have a meeting set up by the time we're ready to leave.
Добренько. Кашульові мені подобається. Так, добренько, новий квестик. Ля-ля-ля. Пойдем поразмовляем с лысым. Так, нам наверх. Можна ушталяваць гэтых ваўкоў тут і нам нешта тут адчыніцца.
You cannot do this, Algernon. You swore that we would give up our commands when this horrific war was over.
Our people need our leadership. If you're unwilling, leave.
Так, мы больше доведаемся про Солоса.
And we must help unite them.
So, we did not fight for freedom, but to conquer this land and our own.
We fought to win, and now the Evanuris are as gods. I do not answer to Mythal's annoying lapdog.
The people are afraid. They must believe in something.
They need strength.
And wisdom.
They need gods who can protect them.
We are not gods. You will learn that.
Every lapdog hides a wolf inside.
Далі нам час розглядіть. Де малюнок.
That was
Ой,
strange.
і ви вирішили
They were
адміркувати
speaking
там?
Elven, but I understood it.
I believe we have experienced a memory in each of our native languages.
Not just any memory. One of the Dreadwolves.
And the mages who declared themselves my gods? Well, mine and Davrin's. And Rook's.
Да. І моїм. Ну, гэта не мої боги.
They're not gods at all, much less my gods.
I'm with Rook.
All right. What else can we take from this memory?
Elgranon was hungry for power. Did anything he could to get it, and to hold on to it.
Then Solus, furious at Elganon's installing himself as a despot, started his rebellion.
There's another moving part in this. Mythal. She was keeping the peace.
Mythal and Solus were close. The Inquisition found a temple to Mythal, and there were wolf statues everywhere.
Then she sides with Elgranon over him. A betrayal.
Які були причини у метал?
I think I get where Mythal is coming from.
Really?
You've just finished some big war, everyone is exhausted, and now Elganon won't give up power? If Mythal sided with Solus, would Elganon have backed down?
Not a chance.
It would have led to another war. Mythal tried to keep the peace.
And Solus must see that, but still can't accept that she chose peaceful politics over his ideals.
Perhaps these murals aren't simply memories. They're what Solus wishes to forget.
His regrets. That means they're a way to learn his weak points.
Може там буде щось про інквізитора?
He's trapped.
Right. But the Dreadwolf was the god of trickery. He's looking for a way out. Bet on it.
Meanwhile, keep your eyes open in the crossroads. If there's a way to restore the rest of these murals, Solus would have kept it in his hideaway.
Ну, у нас есть
It'd be
2
nice
из
to get
5.
inside his head for a change.
То бок мы можем яшчэ нейкі адзін мульцік паглядзець. Ну што тут у нас?
I was not certain you would come.
You were the one who walked away. I never turn my back when my friend needs me.
The Evanuris seek the magic of the Blight.
Мы былі каханамі, ці яна ёсць та сяброўка, якую на татковым болі знаходзілі.
I believe you. I have sensed the breaking of the wards.
Просто голос Солоса такі
If they
м'які.
forget the danger of the Blight, I will endeavor to remind them.
What if, instead, you left the Evanuris and remained with me? Do you not wish for freedom from this struggle?
Be at peace, love. I will stop them.
Та, яны былі каханамі.
As you must. The Blight is our mistake.
Цікаво, цікаво.
Did Mythal call Solus love in that memory?
That's what it sounded like.
So they were doing it.
The elven gods were
Doing
free
what?
with their emotions. They felt things deeply. The way they express things, well, it feels romantic to us, but that wasn't really how it was. Back then, I
А
mean.
як це було?
Nah, they were doing it.
Та я так само думаю, що все було як як ми думаємо.
Being with someone you're rebelling against doesn't sound like Solus.
Може, тому і не зачинився котом, тому що яна його так кинула.
It sounded so tragic and romantic.
Oh, wait. Never mind. That does sound like him.
So the Dread Wolf goes to Mythal. They might be fighting, but they have history.
And he warns her about the other god using the Blight. That's more important than his rebellion. It's like kingdoms coming together when an archdemon rises.
Mythal didn't think it was possible. She said the Blight was sealed away. There's an old legend about it. Davrin, the one with Andrul's armor. Not sure it matters.
Конечно, нам треба вся інформація. Розповіді нам
We're
цю
deep in
історію.
Elven lore already. What's the legend say?
Right. Well, Andrul was the goddess of the hunt. She put on armor, magic armor, made us something called the Void, drove her mad.
I remember this one. The other gods were afraid Andrul would turn on them. She was doing all kinds of horrible things, causing plagues. It does sound like the Blight.
Well, it all ends with Mythal fighting Andrul. After, Mythal turned into a dragon.
She what? Why didn't you start with that?
Anyway, she took Andrul's
Цікава
armor away.
частка
Then
для
Andrul's
Таш.
madness left, and peace returned.
Intriguing. So it's possible Andrul stumbled onto the magic of the Blight.
And when Andrul went mad, Mythal took it from her and locked it away.
Until someone started using it again.
Так, я так само думаю, што ён быў проста занепакоены гэтым.
The Blight's one of the only things that really scares Solus. He came to Mythal afraid.
And she took it seriously too.
So Mythal goes off to investigate what Solus says. Then, what? It's too clean.
Seems plenty messy with them doing it.
But this isn't just a memory. It's something Solus wanted to hide. What's the crime? What did we see here that he feels guilty about?
Што
I think
ён
I might know.
зрабіў
When the
гэта?
Inquisitor was saving the world from the breach, he met Mythal.
What? Like in a dream?
It was complicated. She helped the Inquisition. There was a magic pond and a dragon. Nice. The point is, she also said the other elven gods betrayed her, killed her.
Що ти маєш на увазі?
Sorry, point of order. If they killed Mythal, how was she still around to help the Inquisition?
Elven god magic? She'd spent centuries gathering strength and sharing people's bodies, I think.
Так, так,
If it was a
Міноїта
truly
Морган.
benign possession, that speaks to her character.
Може він себе винуватить? Може ні.
Solus tried to do the right thing by warning Mythal about the other gods using the Blight, but he got her killed.
Well, it's not just that she died.
What do you mean, Tosh?
It's... Ugh. There was stuff he wanted to tell her, but he waited too long, and then she was dead. He never got to make it right. That twists you up.
That's it. There's our crime.
Doesn't really tell us anything we can use, though.
We know more than we did. That's something.
Then I guess we keep our eyes open if we come across more of these memories.
Тож, коли у нас остатніх нема. Так, побачили ми другою. А скільки у нас їх? Що у нас є 6? Мені здалося, у нас було 2 з 5. У нас сіра екскурс в ельфійську історію.
Price for this betrayal. We warned you not to use the blight. For this and for
Ну, я
Mythal,
отравлюся
I
ось так
sentence you to sleep
от
in
помстою за
exile
метал.
ever
Так.
after. Your own lives will form the veil that keeps the horror you unleashed at bay.
Ну що, обмірковуємо гетовий
So
сірий?
he locked the gods away and created a veil between this world and the Fade. I mean, they were terrible, no question. But what he did, it didn't just stop them. It destroyed our culture, our world.
It wasn't just to stop them. It was to stop the Blight. We've seen how bad Elganon and Gillenane are. Imagine all 7 corrupted gods running wild.
So he created the veil just to keep the elven gods locked in their prison?
Yes, to keep them from accessing the Fade. But was the creation of the veil around the world an accident?
You heard him yelling. That's not the sound of a ritual going right.
What do you think, Rook?
Що ми думаємо? Ян змагався з тиранами. Не тільки ми тут запанікували. Є ось у гэтым сенс. І люди померли. Не павінныя ні ў чым. Так, нешта было там не по плане, мне здаецца, у яго пайшло.
Honestly, I'm a little relieved. I've been feeling out of my depth trying to stop ancient gods. But Solus was flailing just as much as we are.
I had another question, and I'm sorry, maybe this doesn't matter, but Solus trapped the blighted gods in an ancient elven building, right?
That's what it looks like. Maybe a palace? Fancier than what I've seen in Arlathan, at least.
And then, the Magisters were lured into the Fade. They broke in, which let the Blight escape, and turned the Golden City black.
Right, and the Black City hangs in the Fade, a little reminder of their mistakes. What's wrong, Lace?
It's just... the Chant of Light says that the Maker built for them the Golden City, the center of all creation. But if the Golden City was an ancient elven palace, then the Maker didn't build it. The elves did. The Chant of Light is Andraste's visions from the Maker.
У
But it
шоку
sounds like it's
усі.
wrong.
You're asking if we just disproved the entire Andrastian faith.
Did we?
Хто тут вірить у Андраста? До Андраста якби з цим би була максимально звичайною жінчиною. Так, вона там охвірвала собою, героїня і все таке, але що є Бог. Так, можна або Проверяємо, наскільки ми віруючі. Ми все ще віримо у стваральника. Отказати, як хтось з тих, хто не вірить у стваральника. Откласти питання на конск стваральника. Не дати особистий погляд. Я думаю, мы просто не будем давать некую особистую. Тим більше зараз
Lace,
це навіть
I don't think you'll ever fully know whether
не
the
має
chant
значення.
light is literally true or not.
Ну,
What
ніхто не
matters
веде.
is that, in its better moments, the chantry encourages people to be kind and help each other.
What do we tell the Chantry about this? Do we tell them about this?
Я
People
думаю,
are
на них
already
хоче
questioning because
свідить.
of Elganon and Gillenane. It hasn't stopped them believing.
I guess people need that comfort. Even if some parts of it aren't totally true.
The Dalish clans are struggling with the same thing. What do we keep? What do we lose?
The Elven Gods, the Maker. No matter who you light a candle to, you've got some hard questions to ask yourself right now.
Doctrine is not the truth. It is one of many paths to the truth.
I recognize the sentiment, though not the specific quote. Who said that?
My mother.
Questions
Legend.
of faith aside, we have some very real gods that still need killing.
Looks like there are 3 more of these murals with the Dreadwolf's old memories. Wonder what else he's hiding.
Ну, мені здається, на гэтым-то у нас ваўкі скончыліся. Побачили ми третій успамін Фінхарела. Так, ну гэта паразмаўляць у сваім пакоі. Вось тут яшчэ будзе адна. Но у нас няма. Не, вось тут таксама будзе адна, але у нас таксама нічога няма. Окей, пойдзем размаўляць, мы кое-што даведаліся. Будзем медытаваць. Ой-ой, пролагала трошку.
How fares your battle?
The gods are moving against Weishaupt and the Grey Wardens. We've heard rumors the Darkspawn are being led by an archdemon.
And you have questions?
I
Wiadomo.
need to know how archdemons relate to the gods. Are they just like the blighted dragons, or are they something else? I also need to know how to deal with the gods if they show up at Weishaupt.
Мне здаецца, архідемон гэта штосьці больш складанае.
I will answer your question
Калі ён там трэба
if you
быў
answer mine.
Морігон у гэтым рытуале і
How are
ўсім
the Grey
такім.
Wardens? Do they understand the truth of the danger yet?
Нічога яны не разумеюць. Ну, частка іх.
We've been through this already. You agreed to help me.
What did you think my help would look like, Rook? I need to know that you are prepared.
No.
Їх лідер
The First Warden still refuses to listen.
не слухає
As
нас.
I feared.
I tried diplomacy. I tried being firm. Nothing worked.
When I asked why you should be trusted to lead the fight, you said that nobody else was doing it. That sufficed for me, but you will need more to convince the Grey Wardens. They see themselves as destined to lead this battle.
You cannot defeat Elganan and Gillenane without the Wardens. What will you do to bring them to your side?
Ну што, будзем тады рабіць рэвалюцыю? Ці паспрабуем яшчэ раз ім паразмаўляць?
I don't have to convince all of them. I just have to convince the First Warden.
Or remove him.
Enjoyable as that is
Ці
to
забіць яго.
imagine, I
Так.
doubt the rest of the Wardens would approve.
Did you know the Evanuris once numbered many more than those whose names survive in the Elven Pantheon? One warlord was particularly cruel. I sought to free his slaves, but so fearsome was his reputation that none would join me.
What did you do?
I made people laugh at him.
How did that help?
For 12 years. Every sound near him, from whispered pleas to shouted oaths to crackling fire, all became mocking laughter. His
Але у
mind
нас нема
broke
стільки
under the
часу.
ridicule, and when he fell, his slaves rose up and joined me.
I doubt laughter is going to work on the First Warden.
If not that, then what?
Ну, нехай вони самі поспробують його скинуть.
I can't force the First Warden to listen. I have to let the Wardens try it their way.
And how many Wardens will die before the First Warden realizes his mistake?
I've done everything I can to reason with him.
I once warned an elven village that
Ті правда
Gillenane was
это.
coming and they were in
Ті всьому
danger.
поспробували.
They would not listen. I had to watch as their bodies twisted, as their shrieks turned into the grunting of animals. Their eyes were the worst part. They were still aware. They knew what had been done to them. I gained little peace from knowing that I had tried to warn them. Is that what you hoped for?
No. I have to find a way to get through to them.
Then what will you do?
Я будцем бы меня штурхай на нечто древне. Я притягну дипломатично вирішати це питання.
All I can really do is keep trying to get through to them.
Have you ever ridden home in a wagon and felt the streets go from paved
Зараз
to
у меня
dirt
застанется
beneath the
всего
wheels?
один вариант, это
The
отказать.
horse is slow,
Я зараблю все, что
and everything
потребуется.
goes quiet as your new home. What do you call that feeling?
I don't really have a word for it.
No, you do not. Elganon destroyed that emotion. He burned it from the mind of every living being. There were spirits of that feeling, just as there are spirits of joy, or fear, or despair. I begged them to fight.
What happened to them?
They waited too long. Without the emotion in this world to focus on, they faded until nothing remained. When you grow quiet, it is a part of your soul reaching for a feeling and finding emptiness. Because I failed.
I understand. I'm not going to fail.
How? What will you do?
Я зараблю все, что потребует ситуация.
Whatever it takes.
Это
Easily
то,
said,
что я хотел,
but it will have to be enough for now.
хотел почуть.
You have answered my question, and I owe you an answer in return.
Yes. The old gods of Tevinter, the archdemons.
There never were Tevinter gods. The archdemons, as you call them, were always merely the weapons of the Evanurus.
All right. Let's hope we can find the gods before they find their weapons.
Unfortunately, the Dragon Thrall's life force is bound to the Evanurus as both power and protection. You will not be able to kill or likely even harm one of the Evanurus until their Dragon Thrall is slain.
Для архидемона так-то забить это непросто. Расповеди мне про их
What can you tell
смоков.
me about the archdemons themselves?
Each is different, shaped by the whims and ego of its master. Elganon is the Lord of Tyranny. He would have ruled alone had Nathor not forced him to share power. Those who are strong, he molds into dictators themselves, with visions of godhood. Those who are weak, he crushes. His archdemon reflects him. It is huge, to feed his ego, the epitome of dragonkind, bent to his will.
Ну, будем сподіватися,
What about
що
Gillenane and her dragon?
це буде його
Pride and
поразою.
ego can blind someone. We can exploit that.
By contrast, Gillenane was a servant of Andrew, whose skill at making monsters earned her promotion to the Evanurus. She is brilliant, ambitious, and unconstrained by anything you would understand as morality. In a kinder world, you would never need to see what she has done to her archdemon. In this world, I only hope you kill it quickly. In any event, the
Она
Evanurus will not be
гениальная.
vulnerable
Я ей,
until their
конечно, смог.
archdemons are dead.
Що не веду навіть страшней. Смок Гіленейн, яка там його напомпувала чимось невідомим. І зробила його там, не веду, супер-пупер моцним. Це просто великий смок. Як розмовляють боги Тевінтера?
The old stories of the Tevinter gods have them whispering in the dreams of ancient magisters. How did they do that? If they were just tools
Ну,
of the elven
раз
gods?
The archdemons were
зашло.
once high dragons. The Evanuris bound them as a source of power. When I imprisoned the gods, their dragons remained free. That was my mistake.
How so?
I never bound a dragon to myself, for I believed that to enslave another creature was immoral. As such, I did not understand the power that connection gave. I thought the prison I had made was perfect. But their dragons were the conduit through which they spoke to dreaming minds.
Я, конечно,
Any
не
other
розумію.
surprises we should know about?
Even with their dragons dead, the Evanuris are powerful and well protected. You will need to use my dagger, the one you recovered. It can pierce their enchantments and strike them
Як
down.
Ар'я Старк.
All right. Kill the
Зробимо.
archdemons, then use the dagger to take down the gods.
Even a single opportunity to strike the Evanuris down will be rare, fleeting, and costly. You will not have another chance to catch them unawares. When you strike, you must be fully prepared.
Окей. Мгм. Куди нам пропонують? У нас ось є нове, є ще дві. Конечно, от фракції у нас квеста до холери. Хм-хм-хм. Ну що, на гэты квест уже пойдзем, напэўна, ў наступнай серыі. Не ведаю, колькі там гэты доўжылася. Дзякую любым выпадку вам за прагляд.